For more than 20 years, the Group of Companies AVTOgraph has been supplying materials, tools and equipment for industry and retail.
Today, AVTOgraph is a holding of a federal importance. It includes 9 trading and manufacturing companies that work like a finely tuned machine. Each company is responsible for its own strategic division and possesses expert knowledge in its segment. In majority of Russian regions and in neighboring countries, the companies have own network of branches and partners, with a total number of more than 500 enterprises. AVTOgraph headquarters and logistics complex were founded and are located in St. Petersburg. Companies' own manufacturing lines produce endless sanding belts, abrasive discs, flap discs, and TC burrs. On the daily basis, over 3,000 clients use our products in different spheres: sanding and polishing of surfaces, conveyor and refinishing painting, industrial welding, metal cutting and processing, equipping of body shops, occupational safety. To provide for the client's needs in time, AVTOgraph possesses 12 offices and logistics centers with more than 600 employees. Constant replenishment and stocking of warehouses guarantee uninterrupted supply and stable prices. We offer to our clients not only verified and approved products, but also a top-level service. We analyze manufacturing processes and introduce technologies at enterprises. We select and produce materials and equipment customized for the individual requirements of a customer. We create educational environment to increase the performance quality of Russian specialists. We share our experience and technological knowledge on our YouTube channels dedicated to body repair, painting, woodwork and metalwork, usage of personal protection equipment. Products of AVTOgraph Group are present on all popular marketplaces as well as in own web shops. We are proud to have trust of private and state companies all over Russia. Among our clients, there are both major corporations and plants and small body shops and factories. We always remember that our market leadership became possible due to the solid team of specialists. That is why people are our greatest value.